Once you've installed an application, such as WordPress or Ameca, in your Create Digital account, how do you find it? As always, start by logging in to usccreate.org. Your installed applications will be accessible through the Applications screen of your cPanel from the My Apps button. Scroll down and you'll see each of your applications. The top URL is a publicly accessible site address. In other words, this is the URL you'll provide for people to view your website. The second URL will be the link you'll use to log in to the administrative dashboard of your account. If you select the dashboard URL, you'll be taken to a second login screen, where you'll be prompted to enter the credentials that you created while installing the application. These will not be your USC credentials. In most cases, if you forget your credentials or if you need to make other adjustments to your installation, you can return to My Apps, select the particular application you'd like to make changes to, and click on the wrench to view and edit the app. Once you've made the necessary changes and updated your account, click Save All to retain your changes. You can also clone or uninstall applications in this area. Returning to the My App screen, I want to point out that you do not have to navigate through your Create Digital account to access either the public or the administrative site for most apps. The top URL will always take you to the site, and you can save the administrative login URL to access the application dashboard directly.